Okay, welcome back to the channel. This time I'm going to be putting puddle lights in my car that gives it a little special personality touch for my car and everything, but I was going to show you how to do them. They're called puddle lights. People call them door lights, or the lights that are underneath the bottom of your door and everything, so whenever you open it, it gives light out onto the floor and everything, or wherever you're parked at. So I wanted to show you the brand I bought was 3D Shadow Lights. And the lights look just the way the ones that OEM ones that are actually in the car. So they should just pop out and slide right into place. And the only tool I should be using should be a flat tip small screwdriver. Okay, I am going to shut the lights off, open the door, let you see what I'm starting with, how it came from the factory and everything. I'll make this quick. Okay, and this is what I was talking about and everything. These lights right here. And I ordered ones that say SRT Hellcat, or has the Hellcat face emblem on it. So, well, let me turn the lights back on and I'll get the camera set up underneath so I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm back underneath the door of the car. And right here's the light I was talking about. From looking at this one right here, you can see a little plastic clip on there that you're gonna have to push, and there is a little slot over here. So, and that slot is right here on this one. So I'm assuming whenever it's in the car, it's looking like this. So I'm gonna just go ahead, pry my screwdriver in here and pull down on it. Okay, and it popped out just like that. Didn't cause no damage, nothing like that, because I never want to cause damage to my car either. So then there is a little clip on here, and I'm going to use my screwdriver just to pop that out also. I'm going to just push down on the clip and something like that. And I seen that it started moving, and I'm going to pull that out right now. And that's it. So I'm going to just go ahead, put my other, my new light in. Make sure it clips in. And it did. And I'm going to just work it back up in there. And I should just be able to push it right back up in, just like that. So I will, okay, I just got everything cleaned up underneath my car. The cardboard, the lights, stuff like that from filming from underneath the car and everything. So now I do want to show you the final product and everything. So I am going to shut the lights off once again. And I will try to make this as quick as possible. But that is what finished product's going to look like then. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'm turning the lights back on. Okay, the lights are back on the car and everything. And so I've been working on this car for a good many years now, doing minor modification, some bigger modifications on the car. It does have a roll cage in it. My best quarter mile time has been a 9.4 at 147 miles an hour. And I'm hoping to get into the 8s here at some point in time. But it's a lot of work getting there once you start getting to a certain speed and everything. But hopefully you enjoyed this video and everything, and like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.